Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to hide blank rows and columns in Excel. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Excel spreadsheet. Now we can see here many blank rows and columns. Now we want to hide the rows and columns. At first, select this row. Now I am select the row, press Ctrl on your keyboard and select the multiple row. Click right button and select the hide option. We can see we hide the multiple columns. Now I am select the row, then press Ctrl to select multiple column. Click right button and select hide. Now we can see we hide blank columns and rows easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.